Hi, John. Can you give me a hand?
What's up, Bill?
One of my customers asked me about Signal Fire, and you're the expert.
Okay.
So, what can you tell me about Signal Fire?
Well, it depends who you want to talk about. We've spent a lot of time talking about the Ranger, but Signify has a whole raft of other products. One thing I got hooked up right now is our little Signal Fire gateway. This unit actually interfaces to the remote units. You can have multiple gateways on on your system. This is a serial interface. We can actually take it to Ethernet if we want to. Some of the more common products we've been selling is this is the Pressure Scout. Basically, it's a pressure sensor. It's intrinsically safe. Multiple ranges. Just screw it on there, and then we have the Sentinel. The Sentinel also has a multiple functions. This one here has actually got some two DIs on it and a Modbus port, but they come with analog, heart, temperature, pulse counts, whatever you want. The DIs in this one will actually count at 2,000 hertz. So that's the hardware. There's a bunch of other things. There's a solar panel you can tie on rather than using the battery. Really handy for like a level transmitter on top of a tank. You don't have to ever change the batteries. It just runs forever, which costs money. And other than that, there's a lot of products. I'll show you the configuration software, which is free, and we'll take it from there. Okay.
Great, thanks, John.
Here we have the Signal Fire gateway interface software, gateway and the rest of the gadgets. Basically, it's a free package you got to download from the Signal Fire folks. You tie it into your software package, to your hardware. The interface right now I have is a serial interface to my Ranger gateway. The other end of the gateway is tied to a Signal Fire Sentinel device with a solar panel on it, and I'm actually pulling the data from the battery voltage. I'm going to quickly show you the actual gateway. Here's the gateway data. It's basically tells you what devices you have out there, signal strength, those kinds of things. It allows you to configure from here as well. And that's pretty well the software. It works pretty clean. Very, very intuitive, easy to use. Thanks. Here we have the Signal Fire website. It has a couple different tabs that are interesting. The LT-M1 cellular products is the Ranger and all its accessories, the extra add-on for the IO and the Modbus. Then the 900 megahertz products are the ones they've been selling for a number of years now. Has a number of devices in there. We got the gateways to talk to the field devices. There's long-range devices, short-range devices, Ethernet interfaces, serial interfaces, ties to things like pressure devices, transmitters, and such. In here also they have the resources. You can actually download manuals, look at videos, that kinds of stuff. Under each product we actually have a list of devices, and in those devices there's data sheets to be downloaded and also manuals to be downloaded. So that's pretty well this website to take a look at. You'll find it very, very informative.
Hey, John, that was great. Thanks a lot for your time, and it's great to have an expert living in the office next to me, you know. Thanks very much.
Well, you're very welcome, Bill. There's so much stuff in Signal Fire. It's a really broad product, very cost effective. Again, one of the features they claim is sensor agnostic, so you can actually take somebody else's transmitter and tie a Sentinel gadget on top of it and make it a wireless device. So it's a super product line. We've had really great success with it. So good luck with your client.
Sure, with the fist bump at the end of the video,
Sure.
at least. There we go.
Okay.
Thanks.